The power of fire across culture and beliefs. Before borders, before languages, before religions, there was fire. It warmed the first hands, cooked the first meal, and gathered the first community. In temples, fire became prayers. In mosques, churches, and synagogues, it became a reminder. In wisdom traditions, it became transformation. Fire can destroy, fire can protect, fire can guide. And that is why every culture treats fire with respect, because fire reflects us, powerful and responsible. Thank you for watching.